Is your Gmail app not receiving new email? Are emails delay, missing or not updating automatically? This problem usually happens because of sync settings, internet connection issue, app problems or account settings. In this guide, we will explain simple way to fix Gmail sync problem. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop Gmail from sync new messages. Next, check if Gmail sync is turned on. Open Gmail app. Then click menu option. Go to settings. Select your account. And make sure the sync option is enabled. You can also refresh your inbox manually by pulling down the screen. If Gmail is still not receiving email, restart your phone and update the Gmail app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app version can sometimes cause a sync problem. Android user can try clearing the Gmail app cache from the phone settings. First, search Gmail app. Long press Gmail app. Then click App Info. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Cache. And then click Clear Data. Click Delete. And make sure background data is allowed for Gmail. Also check your phone storage. Make sure your Gmail account has enough storage space because full Gmail account can prevent receiving new emails. By following this simple step, you can fix most Gmail sync issue and start receiving email normally again. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.